Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Muy buenos días a todos. Well, today we're heading, first thing in the morning, we're heading to the dump. We're gonna go ahead and drop the septic tank. Yeah, pretty much we just gotta get that hole prepped up today, take out more dirt. Also, county's gonna come out, 831 septic's gonna come out. They're gonna check our outlet just to make sure it's in good condition. Besides that, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, well, on to the dump. Okay, so we made it to the top, up here to the landfill. Man, what a great day, man. Sometimes we don't appreciate the, like everything we have. We gotta be grateful, we gotta be happy at all times. We got work, we got health, life, family, love, so for that, I'm gonna go ahead and read this Bible verse real quick from my phone. It says, it's Proverbs 16:3. Commit your work to the Lord and your plans will be established. That's the Bible verse of the day. All right, guys. Well, sometimes we gotta, whenever it gets hard at work and stuff like that, we gotta remember we could always ask God for help. That's just a little message I'm trying to share today. Thank you, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and uncover the load. I got some time right here waiting in line. Might as well uncover the merchandise. You don't want to be touching this. All right, we're next. Here you go, sir. Here you go.
You are there.
Yeah, we are here. You want to say anything to the YouTube channel?
Hi, YouTube.
There you go.
It's Leroy. Come to my landfill. Spend your money.
There you go. All right, guys. We're heading out of the landfill. We're gonna go ahead and get our ticket, and then we can take off. Finally, this place hella stinks. All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys know where I'm at. Once again, here in Home Depot. I gotta grab some freaking root killer. Let's see if we find some. So here we are. So we just got back here. I see a lot of cars. It's gonna be a little bit more packed today, so let's see how it goes. Okay. Guys are probably on break right now, so I gotta back this thing up in there. Finally se va a engrasar la maquinita después de 5 años. We got Michelle doing the maintenance. Ahorita me and Alvaro, we're gonna go dump this dirt, and James is gonna stay here helping him out. All right, let's go. Alvarito, vámonos. All right, so we're here. We're gonna drop off some dirt and some other property here. We just got here to the location. We got Alvaro here too as a co-pilot. We're gonna go ahead and dump this here. All right. Second trip. Let's go. Es todo, Liceo.
Sí, 10, casi 10.
¿Casi 10?
No, ese es su nivel.
Vamos a ver ese nivel, acuérdate.
No es de 9 y medio.
9. Sí, para no perder, agarramos el que viene de allá para acá.
More dirt. Whatever you need to do. Make sure you put cones off right here and then we're good to go. Alright, y lo pones a hacer algo ahorita. A jalar a algo.
Pues es mi guía.
Oh, okay. No, pues ahí está. There you go. Alrighty. Thank you, Eliseo.
Ya.
Ya casi va a ser. Ya, lunchtime en media hora. Trip number 3. This is gonna be the last trip for Alvaro. Alvaro has to get a half a day. He's only working half a day, so we're gonna miss him. Goodbye, Alvaro.
Sí.
Ya estamos. Claro que sí, claro que sí.
¿Sí usan esto a las herramientas? Ahí tengo las mías. Ok, déjalo guardo.
All right, lunchtime.
¿Le dejo el casco tú, Liceo? Sí, porque el mío se fue en la...
Okay, we're inside. We're inside the hole. Probably this is the level right here. So everything else has to go. And just push this into here.
The level.
Yeah, it's like way down here.
So, oh, right.
Yeah, that's the level.
All right. Everything else.
But just throw everything in that hole for the meantime.
All right.
So. Yup, we're still making more trips. Trip after trip after trip. Well, we're close to being done here with the dirt. Finally, after like 6 or 7 trips. Yeah, but we're almost there. We're almost there. Probably in the next hour, we'll probably have it kind of figured out. So, plus it's getting really windy and cold. Yeah, it's getting really windy and cold. So we'll see. We'll see. What time is it? 2:20. Okay. Yeah, we'll probably pull it off. Alright, for some reason it just started kind of like raining. Light rain, but it's still kind of getting stuff wet. But the guys are still working, so. But it is cold for sure. We got the outlet, but the outlet is like super beat up. Super fragile, super beat up. Roots are in there. That's pretty much it's already done, in other words. But somehow we gotta kind of make it work. I don't know how, but yep. Well, that's pretty much it for the day. It's just gonna be cleanup time, wrapping up, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna leave that whatever's left in there to kill off the roots. But besides that, yeah, tomorrow's another day. We're good. Are we almost to level?
Pretty close.
Pretty close?
There.
Okay. All right. Alvaritos, ¿estás viendo? Hasta aquí llegamos. Ya básicamente ya agarramos. ¿Cuánto tiene allí ese pozo de la medida? Here you go. 5.5. Yup. Ya nomás se va a rellenar bien y that's pretty much it. All right. Well, clean up and time to go home. That's it. Thanks, well. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. All right, James. All right, Michelle. Órale. I almost witnessed that. You saw that? Oh my God, damn, that's crazy. All right. That would have sucked for an ending. Eliseo right there in the ground. All right, so that's pretty much it for the day. We're done. We took out all the dirt. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. We are gonna put in the concrete septic tank, and we are having the watertight test being done. We are having the county inspection being done, and then we're gonna hook everything back up, and hopefully we could open everything back again. So yeah, we'll see how tomorrow goes. Today was an easy day, just working with dirt, not much. But tomorrow's gonna be much different, much more interesting. Alrighty guys, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Until next time. Peace.